guys, this is Mish and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to cook one of my favorite Korean dishes, and that is called bibimbap. A bibimbap is a rice mixed with vegetables, beef, eggs, and hot pepper paste or gochujang. So for this kind of rice mix, we have to use sushi rice or short grain rice, and this is a different kind of rice than we Filipinos are fond of using in our cooking. This is short grain. We use long grain rice. So if you want to make bibimbap, try to use sushi rice or short grain rice. For the vegetables, we need bean sprouts, spinach, green onions, red bell pepper, carrots, cucumber. And for the meat, we will use ground beef. You can use any cut of beef like filet mignon or sirloin, but I prefer to use ground beef because I have to mix the meat with the other ingredients, so I prefer it that way. You need the eggs later on as a topping, and you need the gochujang, which is hot pepper paste, to put this all together. For the seasonings, we only need a little bit of oil to saute our vegetables, and we need to season the vegetables as well as the rice and the ground beef using salt, garlic, and the most essential for Korean cooking is sesame oil. So bibimbap is actually very easy to make, but it takes a lot of preparation beforehand. So all these vegetables as well as the rice needs to be cooked, and the veggies needs to be washed, prepared, blanched, and then sauteed before we can mix them all together. So for that, let's get started. So guys, we are now ready to make our bibimbap, mix our bibimbap. So we have our rice, we have our vegetables, we have the meat, we have our topping, which is sunny side up egg. We have the gochujang paste, the hot pepper paste. We have sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds. This is the leftover bean sprout soup that we could serve together with the bibimbap. So there would be a little bit of soup to complement our bibimbap. So let's start with the rice that I already put in here. And then let's add some vegetables. Put here the carrots and the cucumber. And let's add the bell pepper. Add the green spinach. Let's add the bean sprouts. And let's have the beef. So as you can see, the rice is now covered with the veggies and the meat. And let's try to add the gochujang. This is hot pepper paste. So I already took the cover out of this. So be very careful when you put something in your dish because it could be so hot. Since this is medium hot. So I'll just add about a teaspoon of it, and I'll adjust it accordingly because this could be so hot for some people. So just add a little bit for now. You can put that here. And you could put your egg in here. Like that. And you want to add some of the green onions. Add some sesame seeds. And drizzle some sesame oil. And here's our bibimbap. Hope you like it.
Even though making bibimbap really takes a lot of time, I hope you still try to make this one someday because it's really good. As they say in Korean, 진짜 맛있어요, meaning it's really delicious. Thank you for watching and hope you liked, share, subscribed, and don't forget the notification. See you next time.